Mama kitty. Are you gonna get you a toy? I keep the catnip stuff up there so Duchess doesn't chew them up. So apparently she's just gonna go and get her toy out when she wants to play with it. Can you get it, Mama Kitty? Is that what you want? They absolutely love those sticks. Here's another one over here. The other cats just chew and chew on these, and I just can't understand, but they love them. She's really into this little thing right here. So I ordered this box of these toys. And they come in all kinds of little goodies. And they love everything. They love everything in it. They play with everything. You got all kinds of stuff. Oh, Mama Kitty's looking. Look, Mama Kitty, we got more stuff. I already gave them another ball. I should have kept it and showed it to you. It's got a ball of catnip in it, like that was on that, the other stick she's playing with. But there's all kinds of stuff in here. They love them all. Oh, and this is my second box, just like this same brand that I've ordered, just because they love them so much. So if you want to give your cat something to do during the day, I would order these cat chew toys. What are you doing up here, Mama Kitty? Did you lose a stick? Oh, no, they're still there. She's still loving on it. Itty bitty. You want to pick something out, itty bitty? Uh-oh, Mama Kitty dropped something. Where'd it go, Mama Kitty? You want that, itty bitty? Oh, he's too long. Yeah, they do. Oh, you dropped it. Okay, here, I'll get it for you. You gonna get it? Ow, that's my finger. Ow. There you go, Mama Kitty. You gonna pick one, itty bitty? What happened to that stick I gave you? Hey, doo-doo. Oh, here comes Snowflake. Snowflake's my old cat. She still plays with this stuff. You wanna play, Snowflake? Oh, Mama Kitty loves her toys. Okay, guys, I hope y'all decide to pick these two because they love them. Duchess is waiting to get her face washed. But Snowflake's more interested in these toys, Duchess. Itty bitty, she's not gonna slap you, itty bitty. Here. Oh man, Mama Kitty got me bleeding. Eat it. You can have it, itty bitty. Did you lose it? What's going on, Mama Kitty? Alright. Alright, everybody. Thanks for joining us today, and I'm glad you got to actually see them playing. Snowflake, are you trying to pick one out? You want this one, don't you? Yeah. I'm gonna see what else is in there. Okay. Bye, guys. I'll see y'all later. This box would stay open. Oh, here comes Spooky. Hey, Spooky. Spooky just came in from the rain. Spooky got wet. Wanna play too, Spooky? What are you doing, Mommy Kitty? Oh, Spooky loves him too. Hey, that's not yours.